Good morning. I'm going to feed your Thursday passion. No, I'm going to feed your passion this Thursday. We are going to inspire you with ideas and tempt you with fabric. So here is a beautiful quilt made with these fabrics, which are called Pedal Pusher. We've got kits to make that quilt. It's 55 by 60, so guess what? It fits perfect on Fireside. Fireside is a polyester fabric, 60 inches wide, and it's soft and cuddly. You can see the pile on it. It quilts up beautifully. It's not as fluffy and as much pile as cuddle, but nice and soft. Here's some more of the line. And there's the trusty fat quarters. Now this is just something that matched, and I figured, you know what, this is a great project when you're stuck at home. Nice for gifts when we start getting out again. This is Pass the Hot Dish. It's made with a stabilizer, like soft and stable in it. And it does this one fold flat? No, it does not. But it has the handles on it and the shape to fit your casserole dishes. Now, if you're tired of sewing, how can that be? Or you're already in bed, how about a little bit of mystery? This is a series by Anne Hazelwood, Mysteries, and they are Quilter's Mysteries. The first basement quilt is her first one, and the second one is the potting shed. This beauty display of inspiration. A combination of a couple of different lines, Soho and Cosmo. Now you've seen Cosmo lately. Laura is doing her Northcott blocks with Cosmo. So this is a combination of both lines. Look how nice they go together. You can hardly tell which goes with which. And that is a very nice feature, because if you've got one of the bundles and you're short a couple of pieces or you need a border, there you go. You've got what you need. There's some fat quarters. These are little great note cards. There's 16 note cards in there. There's thank you cards, birthday cards, and plain. So you can write notes to your friends. Can't visit them, might as well write them. And soon, when it warms up, we will need these coasters. These coasters are made out of a ceramic, and they are absorbent. And so your drink will not run on the table. It will pick up all the sweat from the glass. So a great feature, and it's for quilters. These ones here fit in your coaster in your car. We have a lovely kit, the quilt that I showed you to begin with. That is Katie. It's a GE design quilt, and it's GE design, so surprise, you can use your Stripology ruler with that. So if you happen to get a Stripology ruler at the schoolhouse or have one at home, it's a handy ruler to have for that quilt. Not essential, but handy. We've got a couple pieces of Minky here that match beautifully. Won't work ideal for this quilt because it's too big, but look at the pile on that. And that's what I mean, is this has a little bit more pile and it quilts up beautifully. This design in it is gorgeous. This is the two pieces. Now this cuddle on the right, the gray, is not the same design as the pink one, which is right here. However, you can see what the positive and negative space does on these two piled fabrics when you quilt them. It makes a whole other quilt. So your back is as beautiful and cozy as the front. So, has anyone gotten inspired? Some beautiful stuff here. Check out our website or give the store a call if there's anything that you absolutely need. Thanks for watching. Be safe.